Okay. Good morning, everyone. So hope you all fine today. Okay. So today we have a few type of questions here, almost 17 questions. I think later, Selena, one by one question, you just post in the chat group. So based on that, I will go through one by one. And first question is actually 47 years old woman from Cynthia. Okay. Suffers from acid reflux from stress until he cannot get up from bed for a few days at a time. Okay. Wow, suddenly the question go up. Okay, let me go through. Okay, he cannot work full time because stress triggers off. What is the possible cause the Dexon products can help? Okay, the first is actually he suffer from acid reflux. Acid reflux from stress. Stress and acid reflux is two different things. Okay, sometimes people are too stressed and they're unable to take their lunch or whatever, dinner or whatever. So when they don't eat, then the acid in the stomach keep on going up. So this is the reason that a lot of stress people has a acid reflux. So acid reflux is two different things. If you stress also, if you eat on time, you don't have acid reflux. Acid reflux main cause of you don't eat in a proper time. Okay, and you don't eat a proper meal. Means whenever you need to eat, you don't eat, and you eat too fast. Sometimes you eat too oily. Sometimes you eat too what do you call a lot of red meats, and because of undigested issues, the acid will be increased more to digest the food in the stomach. So this acid sometimes can reflux back. Okay, that also a reason of acid reflux happen. And what said he cannot work full time because stress trigger of stress is another part. When you want to reduce your stress, you must relax a lot. You must get a good sleep, relax a lot, don't think a lot of things. You can do the Sunya therapy or you can do the reverse breathing therapy. That means you count 30 to 0. So when you keep on doing that, you one of the way to reduce the stress level. Okay, you need to do some stress relieving things. Always sleep early. Sleeping is also increase the stress level. Okay, so you must balance your sleep and also balance your daily activities. Daily activities also can reduce your stress level, like exercise. When you go out and do some exercises, you feel very relaxed. So this one also can release stress. But nowadays, you still in MCO, you stuck in the house also, your stress will increase. So you need to keep yourself busy with something. Then you don't need to worry about the stress. Okay. So the best thing for stress, you can take some cordyceps or RGGL. And the best thing for your gastric, for the acid reflux, you can take mycoveggie, morinzyme, and also lion's mane. These three things is really good. So mycoveggie, 1 scoop, maybe morinzyme 20 ml mixed with the warm water. Drink 2 times or 3 times daily. Lion's mane 4 tablets, you can take 3 times. This will cool down your stomach. And also you can take a virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil also will help some kind of their what you call acid reflux. Okay, and when come to like what you call stress, you need to balance your things. Stress is actually you bring it, you accept it. Stress won't come and attack you. Normally you accept it. You make your body stressed, not stress come and attack you. Okay, these are two different things. Okay, when we are stressed, we are the one who invite the stress. We invite the anger, invite the situation. So you need to think wisely to balance it accordingly. Don't invite your stress. You know the thing is not good, but you go and admit yourself in that kind of a position, and this will make you stress. Too many multitasking environment make you stress. And when you not sleep early, also it's a stress. So you need to balance all these things. Don't invite the stress to you. When you say, when something come to you, when you relax, you say this is nothing, it's nothing. But when you put it into your brain and you think something is wrong going on with you, then it become a big stress to you. Okay, stress never attack anyone. You accept it. Okay, so try to take out yourself from the stress. Okay, and the next question we see. Okay, infertility. What supplement to take if the wife decided to see Dr. Siva, must husband come along? Okay, so you see, infertility actually got a lot of reason. It can be problem with the husband, might be problem with the wife. Sometimes if you see the lady, if their period is not very good and the egg fertilization is not very good, also hard to get pregnancy. Okay, so you must see why is the problem. So basically what you can give to both, if we know they are long time they don't have any kids, they're planning to get a kid, you can prescribe, the best thing is actually you can prescribe them the virgin coconut oil. Okay, you can ask husband, both of them take virgin coconut oil, bee pollen, spirulina and RGGL. Okay, for the lady you have to give Morinzi additional, for the guy you give Potenzi additional. Okay, I repeat, virgin coconut oil is to both side, both need to take 2 tablespoons 2 times. You can take RGGL as normal to remove the toxin from the body and balance the body. Okay, maybe 2 capsules 2 times per day or 3 times per day, 2 capsules. Bee pollen is very important because bee pollen has the ability to improve the sperm count and also has the ability to increase the ovulation of the egg. Okay, bee pollen. Spirulina and nutrition, it can increase your hemoglobin. Most of the ladies have a low hemoglobin and low pressure. Okay, and also anemic. If the patient is anemic, it's hard to get pregnant. So mostly ladies have anemic issues. So spirulina can counter that problem. And the last one, Potenzi for the guys and Morinzi for the ladies. So this is the thing. So you give these 2 things for both of them. They don't need to come and check, also doesn't matter. But when both of them keep on taking the dosages, and you can see the remarkable changes on the system. I've treated quite a lot of cases, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 12 years, my maximum cases, they don't have kids, 12 years. Okay, so it's all based on the system. But recently also we have successful cases.
Yeah.
Okay, successful cases. So these are the things, that basic product that you can give to them. Unless they have other complications like diabetes, whatever, then we look at it in the different angle. If they don't have that issue, you can give this base to husband and wife. Ask them to take for 6 months non-stop. Then once if the positive, the lady get pregnant, then we stop certain product only. Okay, we stop certain product. Okay, so the next question is actually number 2. Body cramps, frozen shoulder, what are the cause and supplement to take? Okay, body cramps sometimes due to imbalance of nutrition.
Oh.
Sometimes you don't have enough
Aku selalu
nutrition.
krem badan
Oh, badan krem.
Atau cakap tu.
Okay, so dia kurang sodium. Okay, kurang garam
sodium.
dalam. Kurang garam dan juga mineral yang patutnya you kena ada. So you need some minerals and nutrient efficiently to the body. Kalau you tak cukup nutrient, muscles akan cramp because muscle need lot of sodium, garam. Kalau tak cukup garam, dia akan cramp. Okay, and you see second thing, frozen shoulder. Frozen shoulder ni shoulder you jadi keras. Kenapa keras? Because tak ada blood circulation. Okay, blood circulation bahagian shoulder ni keras. Tak ada, kurang darah. So that means blood supply sangkut. Blood cannot flow through from shoulder to brain. So you kena urut bahagian shoulder guna gano oil. Gano oil is very good. Night you boleh urut gano oil. Then you boleh apply our Zimico. Zimico is good to enhance the blood circulation at the shoulder area. And the best for shoulder is Gigan Plus. Gigan Plus is very good for frozen shoulder. If keep on taking the frozen Gigan Plus, you boleh nampak you punya shoulder become soft back, lembut balik. Okay, and for the body cramps, all these things, the best is you circulate the blood. Okay, what is the best to circulate the blood? Vinaigrette, codipine, Richelieu powder you can mix. Dia akan tolong circulate your blood. Okay, and in the food you guna kita punya Himalayan salt. Malam you boleh ambil you boleh ambil sedikit salt, our Himalayan salt, campur air suam, you boleh minum. You boleh add macam contohnya you take like 10 ml codipine, 10 ml honey vinaigrette atau normal vinaigrette, 1 scoop of Richelieu powder, add little bit of a Himalayan salt into the concoction. Every day night you drink. Then you punya body cramp akan reduce. Okay, body cramp akan reduce. So these are the things that you needed. Especially body cramps happen because you're kurang nutrient. Nutrient means dalam minerals. Category minerals. If your category minerals kurang, you can feel your body cramp. Okay, that's why you see sometimes sportsmen all dia minum isotonic drink ataupun some tonic drink. Actually, most of the tonic drink they add sodium inside to make sure you don't lose a tonic. Okay, to make sure you punya muscle akan work. Bila you perlu lebih, you punya badan kurang garam because you're peluh, you sweat lot. So garam. So then you can replace with. That's why they will replace with 100 plus. They replace with the tonic drinks. Isotonic drink. Okay, it's not energy drink. Energy drink different. Isotonic different. Isotonic drink to replace the sodium deficiency in our body to balance the body. Energy drink tak bagus. Macam itu Red Bull, not good for body. It's really bad for the system because they're using some chemicals to boost up your energy. That is really not good for your liver. But isotonic drink is no problem. Isotonic drink such like 100 plus, I think a lot of things are macam 100 plus kind. This is okay. That's why sometimes medical department also, sometimes when you loss of lot of you vomit or diarrhea, they bagi you water, especially macam 100 plus to drink. It's not good, but immediately emergency wise is okay lah, can be used. And in a sports, they're using lot isotonic drink because sportsmen, when they run, they lost lot of sweats. So end up with the sodium lack. So it can cram up the muscles. So when you take isotonic drink, the muscle can work back properly. Okay. So people yang lost sweat lot, biasanya dia akan kurang garam dalam badan. Minerals, some other minerals also. Okay. Then the next question. Number third question, actually number 4. Okay. I have scheduled appointment in government clinic for my HP, cholesterol, blocked artery. What's the best way to tell the clinic doctor that I want to stop taking their medication? Okay. So this is very tricky question. When you take natural medicine, you can you need to understand when you take holistic medication, whatever hospital medicine you take for temporary. Okay, long term when you take it will be disaster. But for time being, when you take holistic medicine immediately, go together first. Go together first, but slowly you reduce later. Because in modern medication view, no doctors will reduce your medicine. Okay, no doctors will reduce medicine unless specialist doctors. Sometimes when they see you, they are really good. They will see overall blood things all. Then they are the one only reduce. But when you go for GP level, normally they will add medicine, they don't reduce medicine. Okay, when one doctor already prescribed, another doctor won't cancel it. So the authority only specialist doctor has to have to reduce the, to cut down the medicine based on your improvement. So like you get your blood test, all these things from clinic is free, is good lah. So you go and get. So from there, you know what to do. Okay, from there we need to balance it. So we know where to repair more, and we know which natural holistic medicine can balance it back. So once your system getting balanced, later part we can reduce slowly, little bit by little bit. Don't immediately stop. Okay, so stopping immediately sometimes is not, unless doctors prescribe, doctors said you see the correct person, they prescribe you, they said okay, you can cut down this, replace with this, okay, shouldn't be a problem. But don't immediately you yourself cut down. It's not advisable. Okay, unless we go through all the tests, we find out it's very good, then we reduce little bit in a 6 month or 1 year time, we reduce completely. It with the advice of some specialist lah. Like if you're holistic medicine, I can advise you. In a modern medication we issue, I can advise you also, no problem. But if you're in the hospital, normally they will advise you. Okay, when your pressure become normal, they might cut down your medicine from maybe 10 mg to 5 mg. Okay, these are the things that normally happen in the hospitals lah. Okay, number 4, can DXN supplement stop craving, smoking and vaping? Yes, in reality it's yes. Okay, it also, the DXN supplement won't stop your vaping, but it can clear your nicotine level in your body, in your blood. Okay, it can clear and remove the tar from the body. Remember that when I remove the tar and the nicotine from your body that you already long term put inside, that one make you craving for this vaping and the smoking. Okay, so when you take holistic medication lot like RGGL, Rishilium, all these things, this thing will cleanse your system. Indirectly, after certain months, you can see your nicotine level in your blood and tar level in your blood will be reduced. So when this one reduced, automatically the craving is reduced. Okay, so in long term, chances for you to stop is very high. Okay, a lot of people say very hard to stop smoking because the nicotine level in the blood is very high. So you keep on asking. That's why it's additive. They call it additive because the thing is already inside and ask you to top up. Like drug addict. You see, drug addict, why they keep on taking? Because they already addicted. Same thing. Nicotine, all this thing is actually drugs. You taking 0.01 mg per cigarettes. But when you take 10 cigarettes, it's only 1 mg. But when you take 100, it's already 1 gram. Okay. So it's still the same. Drug addict take more, you take less by less. So when you combine in to 1 year time, you almost same equalize, the drug contains equivalent to your drug addicts already. So that's why it's not good. So RGGL will cleanse up your system, balance your body, and it will slowly reduce the appetite, editing of the vaping and smoking. At the same time, you also have to set in your mind that you need to stop. Okay, even though I'm cleansing it, but your mind said, oh, my friend is smoking, I want to smoke. That nobody can change lah. So your mind also have to play a role to really to make it happen lah. Okay, not only the product, but yourself also need to do the job. Huh? Okay, the next one, number 5. Alzheimer's disease, mood swing, depression. What can a person to take to reverse this disease? Okay, Alzheimer's disease, when we have a patient with high level of Alzheimer's disease, they mean they are long, very long. Okay, in a long, very long, they are in the tablets, especially Alzheimer's, they give Madopa. So when long time they're giving Madopa, they release the dopamine level from the brain. So you can see the difference. Once they take medicine, they feel good. Once the drugs finish, they start to, the hand all become shaking ready. Then they need to increase. So when you go hospital, they will increase your medication, especially the Madopa, all these things, they will increase. The more they increase, the more worse it is. You never come back to the reality. Okay. So what can replace this? The best thing, you can give them a cordyceps. Cordyceps is very good in terms of Alzheimer's disease, in terms of your brain, in terms of the cerebellum brain neuro system. Okay, it's been proven, a lot of evidence reports has been thing. Second thing is virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil has been endorsed in lot of evidence papers. Okay. The third thing is spirulina, because lot of nutrition deficiency happen for the brain to create the dopamine, enzymes, hormones, all these things playing a role. So in this case, bee pollen and spirulina will play a big role for Alzheimer's patient. So the first thing is cordyceps. Second thing is virgin coconut oil. The third one and the fourth one is spirulina and bee pollen. RGGL is standard to remove and balance toxin. That one you can take separately. That is basically for your overall system. Okay, but the direct one is this 4 items is directly fit for your neuro system. Okay, when you fit for the neuro system, slowly you can see the differences. But patient that starting immediately you can recover them. I've treated quite number of Alzheimer's patient that basically they are starting. They can see slightly on the changes on the movement of the hands, everything. But when we keep on putting lot of Madopa and lot of damage, drugs in the body, it becomes worse. Okay, so when they become worse, they're putting more drugs. When they put more drugs, they become more damaged, and other organs are failed. Okay, that's why a lot of complications happen to the Alzheimer's patient. And this mood swing, depression, this patient surely they have, because the moment they cannot walk properly, their mood is already swing, and they're already in the depression already. This is all comes together for the Alzheimer's patients, all in one. Okay, so these items will help them, and you can use guano oil, all these things to massage the body. You can bring guano oil. You can go and find the good massagers. Then you give the guano oil, ask them to massage. Don't use any other oil. Use guano oil to ask the massager to massage the person neuro system using the guano oil. So much effective. Okay, the next one, Dayang Noraini. Okay, what she asked: inflammation and weak liver, fatty badly burned by poisonous chemotherapy. What remedy? Okay, weak liver. You see, when chemo, you are not only killing the good cell, you're not only killing the cancer cell, but you are killing every cell. Okay, from head to toe, you are killing. Okay, means that it's not only liver, everything you are killing. Okay, bone marrow, kidney cell, liver cell, your colon system, your brain system, everything you're killing. When you keep on damaging and killing these cells, okay, in the name of controlling the cancer cell, actually you don't control it, you are damaging more. You make the cells to metastasis, you make the product, to make the chemo medicine, you make the cancer cell to become more aggressive, because when you give first chemo, this thing will affect you. Okay, you can see a lot of changes, lot of good things happen when you take first chemo, second chemo, third chemo. But people only realize after the second chemo, third chemo, fourth chemo, fifth chemo, then people will realize. Then the cancer will aggressively turn on back, become more aggressive. Now they will they will bring you to more upgraded, enhanced chemo. They will version. They will keep on telling the first level chemo not working, so we have to increase second level, increase more powerful one. Then cannot work, more powerful one. Cannot work, more powerful one, until they close shop. Okay, until they close you. Once they close you, they can close the file. Okay, so these are the things you need to understand. Giving chemo, I don't say it's not good, but I always say it killing you, it damage you, it make your system more worse. Maybe you can take one chemo, then after that you hold on, you don't take the second one, wait until you see. Then with the nature medicine, you can see a lot of improvement. Okay, a lot of people after one chemo, they cannot take it, they come to nature medicine, they recovered. Until now, a lot of people recovered. Okay, we have plenty of people, but people who come last minute ask us to help, it's not easy. Okay, the more chemo enter the body, the more damages will happen. So when bone marrow start to damage, your blood will be reduced. You must remember, Bone marrow is the one who produces the hemoglobin and RBC. The blood is produced by bone marrow. If I give chemo and kill all the bone marrow, who will produce the blood? And end up with the low blood. Then they pump in the blood. So these are the things. Unless you have a good food, then slowly you go back to the proper balancing the body. Okay. Next question. So for for this case of cancer, we have to see what type of cancer. Based on the cancer, we have to see what is the best product to give. Then it's all changes. This cancer part we have to play tricky. We have to see where, which part, which area, what are the best product. We have to move on. It's not in the basic product we give, but we have to see the patient's balancing. Okay, when the patient is too weak, you need to reduce the product. When the patient is too very energetic, you need to increase it. So you have to see case basis. Based on the case basis, you have to do a concoction for the patients. Okay. Number 8, sudden blindness. Come back from a holiday trip in Bali, suddenly suffer from temporary blindness. Ate lot of unclean seafood. Okay. You see, it's not 1 or 2 people come back from Bali has this problem. So-called Bali has a good food, the seaside food. Lot of people went to Bali. There's a one place called Seafood Villa there in the Bali, near the seaside. End of the evening, you just go there, you sit down, lot of chairs there on the side, seaside. They'll give you the big crab, all these kind of things. Okay, only one thing you notice. You only notice the plate. And the plate that serve you, no. And that one is too, I don't know how many days they never wash. It's actually not clean at all. Then they cook in lot of people are eating there and not clean at all. So lot of people come back, affected the eye. It's not the eye, it's about the thyroid. It affects the thyroid because of mercury attack. Lot of seafood in Bali has a mercury attack. Not 1 or 2 cases I see. In my experience, more than 20 over cases, people come back from Bali has this problem. Okay. So that's why if you go Bali, don't sit down at the seafood. Don't eat much seafood there. Because a lot of lobsters, all these things, they are equipped with mercury. And end up with the thyroid issue. The thyroid will attack your eye. Okay. So I've treated quite a number of patients with high mycovita, bee pollen, spirulina, and mycovita, bee pollen, spirulina, and frenzy. Okay, so you need to eat a lot to flush it back out. Then you go back to the normal condition. Okay, so because high level of mercury, you need high dosage to release it out. So it's a mercury attack. Mostly it attacks the liver and thyroid and hormone functions. So when it attacks the hormone function, your eye become blind. It's not blind, your eye becomes swollen and come out. And your thyroid reading, everything will go up like suddenly. Okay, in few days. So you need to go high dosage. And your eye need to clean with the RG water. You take a warm water, bowl in a warm water, put some RG powder, wash your eye every day using RG powder, RG water. Okay. Then night you can give massage with the Gano oil before sleep. So this will slowly improve back your eye. Okay. If it's not very damaged, you can improve because I've treated quite a number of people. Everyone already can see back. Okay. Everyone already see back. Okay. Unless it's totally gone, it's too late lah. Because in modern medication review, they don't have any medicine for this. They can give you so much of Salatan, Timolol, all the basic corticosteroids drops, eye drops, but it won't help you. Okay, because I know I already treated quite a number of patients that coming back from Bali who take all this kind of food. Okay, so to balance that, if you come back, you kena already, you go for mycovita 1 day 1 sachet, spirulina, bee pollen, and Morinzi. These 4 things will help you. Okay, the next. What is it? Fell down and suffered spinal injury. Fell down or fell down? Okay, fell down lah. Suffered spinal injury. Okay, when you fell down, you have to see there is a spinal injury, but you need to see which part of the spinal is injured. Lower part or thoracic part or the lower part or middle or upper part. So you have to see all these things. Okay, so see cervical side, upper part, okay, or the thoracic part in the middle, or the lumbar part. You have to see which part it is. So based on that, we have to do different kinds of treatment. Basically, what the best is, we give more cordyceps, GL powder, cordyceps, Morinzi, and pearl powder. Remember, pearl powder is very good for your spinal. Okay, pearl powder. So you mix this and drink. Then you can see the spinal injury will be. If there's a crack, pearl powder will refill back. If there's a neuro injury, cordyceps or cordypoint will refill back, will repair back. Okay, and give more GL powder because you need more oxygen to repair your spinal. Okay, you need more oxygen. That's why GL powder is very good to repairing all the spinal. And if you cannot walk, try to do physiotherapy, slow walk. Use a stand and walk slowly. If you can walk the pain, you can do barefoot walk in the field. Take off of shoe, walk every day 30 minutes. Swing your hand and walk. This will realign back your spinals. If they move a bit, you can realign back. You see, our body is very powerful. When you do a gravity walking, okay, when you swing your hand and walk, you can see the system will be balanced. Okay. Hello. I see how everybody's hang. Okay. No, the picture, the things is stopped already.
Oh, you cannot see us, is it? We're hanging, is it?
Okay. Yeah, now okay already. Suddenly
okay,
it's hang already. I see no one is moved. Okay, now okay. People are moving. It's like few minutes, everybody like hang. Huh? I say, hey, what happened? Nobody's moving. Okay. Now good. Okay. So that's why spinal is very good. We can automated balance back our spinal. How? Using gravity walking. Okay, gravity walking is a very powerful walking. It's been verified. I've tested so many patients, they can walk perfectly after that. So what you do? You go to the field, take off of your shoe, walk as normal, swing your hand while walking. Eye see straight. Eye see straight. Swing your hand like normal. Walk as normal every day, 30 minutes in the field. So your spinal will be auto-aligned back because your spinal are turning left, right, left, right. Because when you move your left hand, right hand, you can see your spinal will be turned left, right, left, right. This will be auto-aligned back from top to bottom. Okay. So if a minor clip is engaged, dislocated, you can align it back naturally. I have treated so many patients. Doctor said you have to operate and put clip. But when they do the exercise, they take cordyceps, pearl powder, spirulina, all these things. After they do like 1 month, every day 30 minutes, they can walk normally already now. Now they can run also. So we can see a lot of changes happen. You see, all the animals in the world, when they fall down from tree, or they fight each other, so a lot of happening, the spinal will be damaged. But how they can repair by themselves? Did they go see the chiropractor? No. They walk and adjust back their spinal. When they walk, it automatically will adjust. Human being also have the same power to align back your spinal. You don't need to worry. Okay. And this is a big joke, you know. So when I was in a center, in alternative medicine center every week, so there's a chiropractor doing some adjustment. No? Then one of my patient came, so they say they want to adjust. So I told them, you do this. Oh, then he come, hey, don't tell all this thing to them, lah. Then I don't have business, he said. You see, they're scared. Actually, you can tell to everybody, you can teach everybody to align themselves. So this is a simple basic things that our body have a auto alignment function. You can auto align back yourself by walking 30 minutes in a platform, not go up the hill, no go down the hill, or not climbing staircase. Don't do that. Just a platform, feel is the best. Just daily you walk. You can see until when you older also, your spinal will become very strong because you every day align back to a normal conditions. This is very important because most of the time we sit down, we not properly, we fall down. A lot of cases injuries happen. But how to rebalance back every day? Walk 30 minutes. Swing your hand and see your eye straight. Okay. This is the simple basic remedy that you can do. To enhance it, you can give cordyceps, pearl powder, all these things. Okay. Then number 10, tumor in the brain. First operation got a few tumor nodules removed. Next round, second surgery to remove remaining tumor. Is this dangerous protocol can lead to what remedy? Okay. When there's a tumor in the brain, you have to see which part of the brain. If the tumor is in the skull, okay, if the tumor is in the skull, you can remove it. But if the tumor in the brain, midbrain, center brain, it sure will give you more damages. Automatically, you can see there's a damages. After you operate, lot of functionality of your system will be affected. Okay. So when you operate first time, second time, more damages you make, you must understand. Your brain is like your hard disk. If corrupted, nothing is function. Correct or not? When you have all your application, all your Windows, all your Skype running under your hard disk. When your hard disk corrupted, some of the function not functioning. When it become worse, the hard disk not function at all. Then you can buy another hard disk replace. Brain you cannot buy and replace. Remember that. Okay, brain you cannot buy and replace. The more damages you make to the brain, the more coma leading. You are leading to coma. Okay, there's a lot of patients, brain tumor patient, end up with coma and paralyzed. End up with coma and paralyzed. Okay, and really dangerous. And I got a lot of, I think more than 10 of my brain tumor patients still survive. More than 10 patients still survive. They have the tumor in the brain. It's more than 8 years, 10 years already. They still can do their work. Nobody problem. Nothing is happened to them. Because GL is very powerful to suppress the brain tumor. I suppress it a lot. Until now, they are still alive. Every 6 months once they come and see me. Every 1 year once they come and see me. Okay. But when you disturb it, this is the problem that you're getting. Remember, brain tumor, the tumor, once you remove, you cannot remove everything. You only can do slicing. When you do slicing, it will grow back. You remove, it grow back. You remove one branch, it come back 2 branch. Let's say you're pruning your tree. You cut one branch of tree, end up with 2 branch will coming in. This will happen to your brain. So end up with nothing can be removed anymore because whole over your brain will become a tumor. Okay, in my center, I've treated one lady. They got 8 tumors in the brain. The doctors already said cannot do operation because got 8 tumor. 8 tumor in location. When I see her, I say you got so many tumor in your brain. Then said yes. Then what doctor said? They don't want to remove because if they remove, I will die. That's why I don't want to remove. But until now, she's living already 3 years ready. She's live. She's fine. She's going work. Last time she cannot do a lot of things, cannot do a lot of work. But now she can go for work, no problem. So what you do, you just suppress the tumor, live with the tumor. Why you worried it? You won't grow, it won't affect you. Then why you worried it? You won't make your memory loss. Then why you worried it? Nothing to worry. Okay? Sometimes you have to adapt with the problem together. You have to adapt it together. But the problem with human being is what? They want to clean from everything. There's no way you can clean from everything. Every day you are getting older and older. So when you're living with it, it will live with you. So just go ahead, living with it. Okay, we can suppress it, we can what we can do, we can deactivate it. That part we can do it, or remove it from the body. Okay, the body can do either remove or deactivate it or suppress it. These are the three things they can do. So with RGGL, automatically these three things, one of it three will be done, and you don't need to worry at all. Okay, so definitely it's a very dangerous. So taking for this kind of brain tumor, all these things, the best you give GL powder, high GL powder, more GL powder, less RG, and you can give what do you call other nutrition like bee pollen, all these things, spirulina, all these things are nutrition, so just to make themselves good. Okay, so the next one. Okay, how to maintain or increase potassium in the body? Is there any way to resolve this issue? Husband of two sons suffer from low potassium, have severe body pain. Very simple. You drink Morinzi half a bottle per day. Okay, potassium. Our Morinzi has good potassium. You must remember, when our body has problem, they got two type of problem. One, body deal with the good nutrient. Second thing, body deal with the bad nutrient. Means that we can say bad potassium, good potassium. Bad potassium will be released out, good potassium will absorb in. But the moment you put something inside, the body will separate and see whether it's good or bad. Sometimes you see the body, there's a leakage in protein in our body. Means that protein leakage actually is a bad protein leakage. Bad protein has been leakaged out, like salt, everyday sodium leakage from your urine. Why you worried? Nobody talk about that. Every day there's a lot of salt going out from your body. That is a bad salt that not used by the body, has been removed. Same thing chloride, same thing potassium, lot of things has been removed from the body. When you analyze your stool, so many minerals has been removed from your body. Means that that is unused or bad minerals that been destroyed out from your body. Okay, so you must see which is the good. So in that case, when you see potassium is low, okay, you can take banana every day. Pisang mas is high potassium. What you do, morning every day you take one banana, evening you take one banana, not night, evening. So daytime, morning one, evening nine. This will balance. Taking Richelieu, Morinzi, what do you call Richelieu, Morinzi, Fruitzim. This will enhance your things. Spirulina. This is all will improve your potassium level in the body. Because we also need some potassium level in the body to make sure our body is balanced, our heart is balanced. Potassium highly needed for the heart pumping. Okay, when you're low potassium, the heart pump will be slowed down. When high potassium, the heart can be damaged. So that's a balanced potassium. Okay. So you can take banana, you can take Richelieu, all these things is good for the potassium balancing. Okay. The next one, okay, female. Okay, female 42 years old, sudden hair loss and very hot tempered. Could this due to the extreme stress? What the extra product can help this issue? Okay, hair loss got two different things. Sometimes hair loss because not enough nutrition. Sometimes hair loss due to allergy. Sometimes hair loss due to what we call alopecia. Alopecia means imbalance of the body hormonal system. So you have to see which category they are. Okay, alopecia is the worst case scenario. They can see a bunch of things, end of the day become bald. Okay, we have treated with DXN product with lot of alopecia patient. Balance the colon system. Okay, improve spirulina, increase your spirulina intake, increase your give them RGGL and also cleanse their colon. Morinzyme and myco-VG will cleanse the colon and enzyme the colon. So whatever they eat will be improved more. So then you can give lot of enzymes like codipine, morinzyme, all these things are enzymes. So giving lot of enzyme. Then for hair, you give them Gano shampoo and Gano oil, massage at the affected area. Gano oil is very good in building up, formulate back the hair growth. It's a very good oil. Okay. Lot of my alopecia patient, after we give product, cleanse the system, balance back the nutrition, then we give the oil to the head, the thing come back. The hair grow back. The hair grow back as normal. And lot of ladies have alopecia issue solved. So balance your product with the spirulina. Spirulina you highly need it. That means that patient lack of nutrition. It's not only one or two nutrition vitamins needed, a bunch of nutrition needed. Then only body knows what is lack. So you give a bunch of nutrition like spirulina. It has more than 100, 200 nutrition naturally. GL, Morinzi, okay, mycoveggie, Morinzyme, cleanse the colon. Okay, then you can see the hair drop will stop. Okay, the next one. Is there any DXN supplement that might help in the treatment of lower limb lymphedema primary? Okay, this one is actually more to blood circulation. Okay, blood circulation, and you can give more to enzymes, increase the blood supply. What product can increase the blood supply? Spirulina, GL, enzyme like codipine, morinzyme, fruitzyme can increase the blood supply. When you have a complete blood supply, then your lower limb will be supplied by the blood, and this problem is slowly solved. So increase of the blood circulation is very important. At the same time, do some activity, physiotherapy, walking, exercise, all these things. And you can use your Gano oil to massage certain area, slow massage, gentle massage, to enhance the blood flow at the lower limb area. So the blood flow towards the lower limb area will go down. Okay, then the lower limb area, the cells will get enough nutrition and oxygen. Then you can see the system improved. Okay, then high cholesterol, brain fox, frozen shoulder, same thing, frozen shoulder you already said. Ggen plus is very good. Brain fox, actually some blood circulation to the brain area don't enough, so you can give monascus vinaigrette to open back the blood vessels. High cholesterol, same thing, monascus vinaigrette and RGGL, that is enough already. That's a basic one, can give them. Okay, number 15, weak heart, thick blood, faint at times. Taking warfarin by doctor in hospital who advised you not to take any outside medication or supplement. Okay, you see, mostly modern medication, they will tell, don't take this, don't take that. That is standard. But what the medicine they give you is also a very highly drugs. They are prescribing a poison. So poison is good to take, nature is not too good to take for them. Okay, so to balance it, when you take warfarin, you are put yourself endangered in bleeding. So you can have a colon bleeding, you can have a muscle bleeding, you can also have a blood vessel break. Okay, chances you taking warfarin to get stroke is also high, because you can break the blood vessels because your blood is too thin and too much pressurized. Okay, so when you want to but when you want to take holistic medication, no issue, because holistic education can go together with the hospital medication. So that's why we can go integrated medication, very easy. So what you can take to balance this, you can give a codipine. Codipine is very good in a thinning agent. Codipine, you can mix with the Morinzi or Morinzyme or Fruitzyme. You can add it with the Richelium. Okay, Richelium, Mycovita, all same. Richelium, and you can give them monascus. These are the things will balance back the product, balance back the body. In longer run, you must remember one thing. Modern medication system, they want to thin your blood, but holistic medication system want to balance your blood. That means we are improving the production of the blood. Remember that. Once we improve the production of the blood from the bone marrow, you are giving new blood to the system. improving a new blood to the system or modern medication do thinning the current blood in the body is two different things. From the day you born, your body is keep on producing the blood. So your blood system is improved. So you have enough blood circulation because the blood keep on production. Okay, you don't have issue. But when the raw material reduce in the body, when you have a complication with the drugs, your bone marrow start to stop production. So your body start to reuse the old blood to run in the body. End up with thick blood. So to reduce that, they give a tin to thick the blood. Okay, to thinning the blood, they give warfarin, heparin, aspirin to thin the blood. But you must remember, after a while, the blood become thick again. That's why you keep on taking the medicine for you to make sure the blood keep on in thin mode. But until certain time, when the medicine is overdosed, okay, it become too thin. That's why when you're taking warfarin, you should not have any cut in your body. If you have any cut in your body, the blood cannot be stopped. The blood cannot be stopped. It's very dangerous. In a single few minutes, you can lose a pint of the blood. Okay, because the blood is too thin, so the body unable to create a thrombosis to block the blood flow. So this is very dangerous. People who take aspirin and warfarin is very dangerous in a blood when they have any cut in the body. Okay, so to balance this, you can go for the, as I told you, Morinzyme, Morinzy, Codipine, Fruitzim, Richelium, and you can give some spirulina to balance back. Okay, mostly they said people who taking warfarin, all this thing cannot take a lot of leafy veggies. You can take leafy veggies, you can take spirulina because spirulina now harm. Okay, you cannot take leafy dark veggies. Okay, leafy dark veggies when you take some aspirin or warfarin. Okay, but you can take spirulina, no issue. It will help you. Okay, another one. We go on. Okay, leptospirosis, right poisoning. Okay, right poisoning actually is a poison, like food poisoning like that. Will end up with fever, end up with all these things. So the best is Androgy. Make sure you give Androgy. People who get leptospirosis, you give GL lot. Remember, GL, RG, Androgy, and give them enzymes. Morinzyme, Fruitzim, mix and give. Morinzyme has a functionality to balance the bacteria and viral infection in the body. Giving them a black cumin also very important for this kind of leptospirosis. You see, remember, any kind of infection diseases, okay, any kind of infection diseases. Remember the 5 I got write down in the paper, in the research paper. What are the 5 products? Okay, vitamin C, Roselle, RG, GL, black cumin, Androgy. These 5 is very good enough already. Additional like Moringy, all these things is additional, but that 5 is enough. Any kind of poisons, any kind of virus attack, any kind of bacteria attack, the 5 product is very good. The dosage based on the how bad is the infection. If the infection going bad, go for high dosage. If the infection is very minor, go for low dosages. Okay, so these are the things you can play with. Okay, next, okay, retina elongation leading to future blindness. What is the remedy? Retina elongation, all these things is actually on neuro issues. Glaucoma, retina elongation, all these things are neuro issues. There's a blood flow towards the eye is very bad. And this thing happen when you don't sleep enough. Remember that. When you don't have enough sleep, always sleep late, every day sleep 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you might end up with this kind of diseases, problems. Because the blood, the time that eye need to rest, you are using it. Remember that. The time that eye need a rest, you don't give the rest and you are using it. End up with blind. Remember that. Make use. That's why a lot of people, drivers, they drive night drivers. They drive night. They all end up with glaucoma or elongation problems. Okay, they are going to blind. No solution. Remember that. No solution. So guano oil can help. Hong tea can help. Black cumin can help. Bee pollen can help. RGGL can help. These are the things you can. Guano oil you can put in the eye. You can wash the eye using RG water, and you can give RG drops also, no problem. You can give eye drops, guano oil drops also, no problem. This will help to this kind of a patient. Okay, but when the problem is very high, chances to recovery is very low. Remember that. And always I say, don't damage your eye. Make sure you sleep in a correct mode. Early sleep, at least minimum 6 hours to 8 hours per day. Make sure. Then your eye has enough rest. I need enough rest is very, very important. Okay. Then stiff, painful arms and all finger. This is due to maybe arthritis or uric acid high. Uric acid removal is very simple. You can use a Richelieu, Morinzyme, Scodipine. You can remove it. You can give pearl powder to enhance back the bone. Monoscus to remove some of the blockages in the blood, cholesterol blockages. Then you can see guano oil to massage at the affected area. This will improve a lot for this kind of patients. Okay, guano oil massaging is very good actually. Okay, baby with G6PD, what supplement can recommend? Okay, these cases we have few cases actually G6PD. And sometimes you see when the baby born, it's very hard to detect or to diagnose that the baby is under the G6PD. Okay, it's some kind of blood issue. Okay, and you must remember it's also related to the liver issue. If you feel that baby, that's why I say it's very hard to confirm that the baby is G6PD. I have treated one cases recently, very recent. When the baby born, they said this 1 month plus, they said G6PD got problem la, like the blood is reduced la, this one low, this one low. Then I do very simple. I ask them to mix the spirulina and GL in the mother's milk. Mix it, give to the baby every day. After 1 month, go back and see the blood test, everything is fine. Okay, very simple. Mix spirulina and GL powder, take mother's milk, mix the spirulina and GL, shake it, give to the baby again. This will improve a lot. Very straightforward. And the baby is okay. Now, I think last month also they ordered the product. Now the baby already 6 months ready. It's okay. I giving her when she was 28 days. The mother called me. The doctor said, yes, you have to do this test, like that test. She's crying. I said, no need to cry. I said, you feed the mother's milk? Yes. Every day, give morning 1 time, night 1 time. 1 GL, 1 spirulina. Mix with the mother's milk, maybe 10-20 ml. Take the mother's milk. Mix 1 GL, 1 spirulina capsule. Shake it and give the baby back to drink. You can see the improvement. And this baby is now very good ready, very chubby ready. Okay. So nothing to worry on that. Okay. Then diabetic, high blood cholesterol for 8 years, sometimes gastric, always shivering and sweating, diagnosed cancer stage 1, remove uterus, chemo. This is a lot of complications. Okay. So this one you have to see what is that. Veronica, we need to see the patient because we see so many complications. We have to see what is really going on with the patient. Sometimes your complication is very mild, but when you go hospital, it become more and more and more, become more complicated. You are the one who make yourself complicated very highly. Okay. Actually, you are only have one problem. But when you go up to the hospital, it become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and every medicine they give you end up with another problem, new one coming in. So that's why I said, human body are very straightforward. Don't simply damage it. Okay. Don't simply damage it. Think yourself, what if necessary you take, what is not necessary you don't take. You see, one by one you analyze. If diabetics, What are the food I should eat and what are the food I should not eat? You need to identify. Then balance it. High blood. Don't stress too much. Balance the thing. Do reverse therapy. You see your blood will come down. I've treated so many patients actually, okay, for 8 years. These are the things that you put yourself that you are sick. You always see human mind is like that. When they got something, when the doctor said you got this, finish, they will put that thing like a what they get. And they keep on telling to everybody, I got gastric, that's why I turned sick. See, I don't take this. Hey, you see, 400 years ago, we eat everything. Everybody is fine. Before the modern medicine come to the world, everybody is safe. Nobody lose their leg, nobody lose their kidney. But now, highest losing kidney is Malaysia. Okay, 2.5 million people in dialysis and waiting for dialysis center. Also, so many people don't get placed and keep on increasing. 1985 below, no dialysis center in Malaysia. What's happening? We are improving or we are depleting. I don't know where we are leading. Okay, suppose the technology is going up, we should improve. But technology going up, we depleted. It's wrong. Like nowadays we see when COVID is high, okay, we cut down, we can reduce the case. Yes, that's the way. But every month we see the case of diabetes increase, case of pressure increase, case of this one, medication every month we spending more, increased, but we don't see anything on that. And we keep on buying like nobody business. This month 20 billion spent for drugs, that next month 22 billion, the next month 23 billion, increasing. Drug company is making money. But what are the solutions we are taking in? What are the things that we need to block to things going back to normal condition? No. Dialysis center increasing like nobody else. So these are the things we need to balance actually. So as we in the DXN, we know what to do, what we can balance it back. So you need to slowly balance back. And now diagnose cancer stage 1 and removes uterus and no chemo. What supplement can recommend? You see, these are the things. Sometimes they say cancer stage 1. How to define a cancer stage 1? In reality, staging definition is not easy, you know. Staging definition can be done anybody. You ask A person, they say stage 1. You ask B person, they say stage 2. You ask C specialist, they say stage 3. So very hard to define because body never tell you what stage they are. The important thing, they need to see the person and balance them by the way, not by seeing papers and report and we conclude that everything is failed. So these are the things we need to find out. Okay. So basically what they can give there, they can give for this patient, like diagnose, remove the uterus or chemo. So they can give Richelium, Morinzi, Codipine, Lion's Mane for time being. Then when come to times, maybe you can see the eye and see some analysis. Maybe can send some reports. Let me go through and maybe advise lah. Okay. Veronica is in the line, is it? Don't know. Huh? Okay, she sent privately actually. Okay, good. Okay, say the one is my five, lumbar radiculopathy and scoliosis. Okay, so last time we give cordyceps powder, lion's mane, mushroom powder, spirulina, pearl powder. Okay, lumbar scoliosis actually a body, the spinal is not balanced. So that's why I always say people who got scoliosis, we can do some basic walking exercise, realign back. If they can walk, some people can walk, but they walk saying it. They can use a walking, gravity walking in the field. Take out the shoe, walk the gravity walking. They also can do some physiotherapy using the big ball. You know the big ball? They're using the spinal, turn around the ball using the spinal. This is can adjust the spinal back to normal. Giving them the pearl powder, lion's mane powder, all these things can strengthen the bone back. Scoliosis happen when the bone is not strong enough to hold the body. It's like plastic man ready. The band is too soft. So when you strengthen up the bone, they become more strengthful. Then they can stabilize lah. And that they can do lah. What they have? Any advice for her? The answer linesman should be safer or any other recommendation? Actually, everything that given is very safe. So nothing to be worried. Okay. Everything is endorsed naturally. So nothing to be worried. Okay. Another one is a having memory problem, always forgetting things and even forgetting road also. Okay. This person is actually leading for dementia. They call it dementia. When somebody start to forget a lot, you have to see what the cause of this forgetting. Sometimes they lost focus, sometimes they're really in dementia. So lion's mane and gel powder is a very good to balance back the brain. Lion's mane and gel powder. Cordyceps also can repair the brain neuro. So these three things is actually very good in terms of balancing your memory power. Okay, you can get that and balance back. And remedy for headache, migraine. Headache, migraine, immediate remedy, you can go for Androgy. Vitamin C, you suck. Okay, sucking vitamin C, Roselle, actually can reduce the migraine pain. Increase of taking vitamin C lot can improve your things. Taking RGGL, you can solve your migraine. Actually, migraine is not a headache problem. It's a stomach problem. The gas from the stomach always go up and attack your brain. Stress up your brain, then you have a migraine. So that's why a lot of people, when they have a migraine problem, when they come and see me, I give them a myco-AG Morinzyme. After 1 month, they come back, I ask them, how's your migraine? Oh, very good, doctor, they say. Because you clear the stomach, the acid, all these things is reduced, then you don't have migraine anymore. Okay? Migraine is actually brain stress. They lead by your stomach problem. Okay, so you clean your stomach, then they will clean your stomach, balance your stomach, remove acidic from your stomach, then everything go back to normal. Okay? So that is the question we have. I think I already answered all. Yeah, everything normal all. Okay, so that is the basic things that we need to understand on the basic, what are the remedies you have to given. Okay, and any other questions and
Doc,
come to the place? Yes.
Yes, Doc. I sent to our chat group, Doc, the Joxim punya medical report and his 1-page report.
Okay.
He was in the group just now. He left.
Okay. Maybe I can
Because
talk to him separately on that lah. We will see how is it lah.
Tomorrow morning, after breakfast.
Maybe tomorrow morning I got a lot of
clinic tomorrow.
Yeah, open ready. Yeah. Now a lot of patients actually start back ready. That's why quite busy. When you call me morning, very hard to pick up the phone. But evening, okay lah. Evening maybe after 5 or 6, maybe 8 o'clock night, we can have a call lah.
Evening.
We can have a WhatsApp. Just arrange a WhatsApp call, then we can have a WhatsApp
All right.
call.
Okay.
Okay.
I forgot. Sorry.
Okay.
Morning, Doc.
Yeah, Joe.
Doc, I got a lady age 84. She got Allen crack.
Heel crack.
Allen crack.
What Allen?
Crack at the backbone.
Hairline crack. Hairline crack.
Hairline crack.
Okay, hairline crack. So you give them more cordyceps mixed with the pearl powder. Cordyceps mixed with the pearl powder, mixed with the morinzyme.
Oh, morinzyme, huh?
And don't ask her to walk a lot. Relax, just bedded few days. Give more pearl powder and gel powder. Then it will heal by itself. Yes. Maybe 1 scoop gel powder, 1 scoop pearl powder. You can add and cordyceps powder 1 scoop. You can give 3 times daily. We mix with the morinzyme. This will repair back the spinal. Apply guano oil and do a patch at the area. The area you can do a patch. You know what is a patch? Our toothpaste, RG, Androgy. Toothpaste RG, Androgy makes a paste. Apply that area. Apply to that area daily.
Toothpaste, RG, Androgy.
Yes, mix the 3 of things and apply there. If there's any blood clot, the blood clot will be break off.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, Doc.
Okay, good. Okay. Any other need to know anything?
There's a new question in the chat group, Doc.
Is it new questions?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, pregnancy. What we can give her? Okay. When anyone is pregnant, the best things we need to give for the pregnant lady: spirulina, GL, and Roselle. These are the three things very important for a pregnant lady. They can take until the baby born. Okay, these three things very good. Why GL? We need to increase the oxygen level for the mother and baby. Spirulina to make sure the blood enough. The hemoglobin rate will be 13, 14, 15. So when you keep on taking spirulina, the hemoglobin level will be higher, and we can make sure this girl can go for normal delivery. You must remember, when the blood level is very low, the lady not fit for delivery. If their blood level is 13, 14, 15, the lady is fit for delivery, because once delivery, a lot of blood will loss. So when the blood loss, when her blood is 13, some of the blood loss by delivery, she still survive. But if blood level is very low, let's say 8 or 9, when they lost 3 or 4 points, it may be very dangerous for the mother. That's why most of the cases, doctors are very scared to do normal delivery. They push yourself to push yourself to cesarean. Why? Because the blood hemoglobin is very low. So spirulina playing a big role. And also vitamin C, Roselle. Roselle not only increase the blood because it has a lot of iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and folic acid. In Roselle, spirulina also have the same thing. So these two things will balance the blood totally. And also Roselle have high calcium, magnesium. It will improve the bone, the child bone. It's very important to make sure the child is fit with the bone. The bone is very, very needed, because sometimes if there's a complication of bone, when they pull the baby out, then there will be a bone fracture. Lot of babies' hand failure. When they pull the baby out, sometimes the hand will be fractured and end up with very disasters for the baby. So you must make sure the bone all very strengthful. So vitamin C is very important. Okay. So these three things enough. When they for planning for the baby, they can take anything. But once we know pregnant, stop everything. Give only these three, and don't let them take this. Don't ask the baby. Let them take all these vitamin tablets supplied by the hospital. Iron tablet. Iron tablet is folic acid is okay. Sometimes they give some what do you call there's a vitamins tablets, some vitamins tablet, like B complex, all these things they give, don't need. Iron tablet don't give. If you give iron tablet, then the baby end up with jaundice. A lot of babies will end up with jaundice because the mother take the iron tablet, because it's poisonated the liver. It's a synthetic iron. But if you give spirulina, you don't need to worry. After the baby born, you don't need to worry about the jaundice. Okay. Clear? So I think if there's one Nicole asking, fungal skin infection, how does it occur and what can be given? Okay, most of the fungal skin infection is based on the colon problem and liver problem. When colon and liver are infected, lot of junk will be start to enter the blood. The blood will be restored back, remove back the junk through skin, sweating. So this will lead to eczema, psoriasis, all these kind of things. So that's why all the eczema patient and psoriasis patient, actually holistic medicine can solve. I've solved so many cases. Okay. Why we can solve? Because we eliminating toxin from the colon and the liver. In a modern medication, they don't have anything to remove the toxin from the colon and liver. So these are the two things they don't have. So we can use our holistic medicine like mycoveggie morinzyme for the colon system. Skin, we can use the body foam, all the guano oil, everything. And we can give RGGL to remove the toxin at the liver. This, once we clean up these things, all the fungal infection, everything go back to normal. It takes time to repair. Okay. And most of the psoriasis and eczema patient, they end up with the leaky gut. Okay, so mycoveggie and morinzyme will improve the leaky gut and repair the leaky gut to normal conditions. So they no more have the leaky gut anymore. Okay, that's why this fungal occurred. And the simple solutions we can solve it actually. Okay, so I think we're already 9:30, 1.5 hours. So if no more questions, we can close the session. And any other things you want to ask, just WhatsApp me and we can see how we can do it. Or Rita sending one saying, blood cancer or anemic? Blood cancer is different, anemic is different, Rita. Okay. So anemic is normally lack of hemoglobin, lack of RBC, they are anemic always. So you give Spironolactone, GL, RG is okay already. Okay. Fruitzyme, morinzyme, all these things you can solve. Blood cancer is the blood has been damaged within few days. So the liver keep on breaking off. That is called blood cancer leukemia. In my experience, I've recovered quite number of leukemia patients. Lot. Some don't listen, they go and die. I don't know lah. But whoever listens still until now they live. Whoever listen until now they live. Okay, and we still have a lot of testimonial. That last stage that the hospital said they cannot live, until now they're living. Okay, because you must see blood cancer is not in the blood issue. Bone marrow cannot produce. When bone marrow produced, liver is the one who break the blood. So the problem in the bone marrow and the liver, not in the blood. If the blood is not enough, 120 days, the blood has been break by the liver. Liver job is to break the blood. If when it getting older, liver will break it and throw into your toilet. That's why you see your stools are brown color. Actually, a lot of blood die, dead cell blood. When you blood after 90 to 120 days, in that range, it will die. Then liver is the one who break. When liver break 10 blood, liver will find a 10 blood raw material supplied to the bone marrow to create 10 new. So to have a good blood cell, you must sleep at the night. Remember that 11 to 1 is a gallbladder time. Gallbladder playing a big role in the blood production, blood balancing. This has been written in a biological clock, circadian rhythm. You can read that. So 11 to 1 is a very important time to build the blood. So remember that. Then 1 to 3, destroying and regenerate the blood. So these 11 to 3 is a very critical time frame that you must sleep or you must rest. Okay, anyone must go to the bed, must sleep. Once in a while, okay, but when you keep on doing all these things every day, sleep at 1 o'clock, you will have problem. Okay, in terms of blood issues, production and removing the blood. So when you give chemo, you kill all the bone marrow. Then who will produce for you? No one is produced. You end up dying lah, because you burn the factory. Then you ask the battery to produce. How the factory to produce it back? The factory is burnt with chemo. So leukemia, you need to produce. You need to give a raw material to the bone marrow to produce. You need to balance the liver, give a lot of nutrition to produce. Then the blood will stabilize. When the blood stabilizes, the hemoglobin won't drop. The RBC won't drop. Okay, so they kill the blood, they kill the bone marrow, then they see the blood drop, they put a 2 pint blood more. This is the things they keep on doing and killing everyone. No solution until now. But we have easily treated so many patients until now they're living legends. They are legends. We treat them in stage 4 cancer time. They come back last minute. What is last minute? When the doctor say they only live 3 months. Then they come back, they listen to us, they follow accordingly, then they live until now. Baby also living. So many babies we treated. So very simple basic things. Okay, we need to balance it back. Then shouldn't be a problem. Okay. So good. So I think already next week we can see more. And whoever wants any question, then pass me to your question direct to my phone, or contact Selina, Rita. They always connect to me. So take care and see you next week.